the question that we're going to be doing will require us to make use of differentiation to try to get the minimum of a quantity. So to do that, first, let's take a look at the geometry that we are supposed to be working on. It consists of a cylindrical tank, and this tank is empty inside. It is given to us that the internal volume, the empty space inside, is 1000 pi. And we're supposed to show that the material that is used to make the cylindrical tank is given to us as that expression. So to show that the cross section is this, we are going to make use of the volume of the big cylinder minus away the internal volume. So V, which is going to be the volume of the material that is used to build this tank, is going to be the volume of the big cylinder, pi r square h. So it will be pi radius r square height h minus away the internal volume. This is given to us. So we just need to write down what that is given to us, 1000 pi. But if we were to look at what we are supposed to be showing, the expression that we are supposed to be showing, it doesn't have h. So we need to find a way to replace this h, and hopefully we can replace it by r and a. And to do that, we are going to make use of the fact that we also have the dimension of the internal volume, which is actually a cylinder. And this is given to us as 1000 pi. So this internal volume, which is a cylinder, will be pi, the radius is this, from here to here. And that will be r minus away a. So the radius of the internal cylinder will be r minus a. So pi radius square, height is going to be this. And the height will be h minus away a. So here, this is equal to 1000 pi. And we're going to make use of this equation to try to get h to be in terms of r and a. So h minus a, this pi can be cancelled. It is going to be equal to 1000 over this r minus a square. So h is going to be equal to 1000 over r minus a square plus a. And we're going to make use of this expression to replace the h that is here. So this is going to be pi r square h. H here is going to be 1000 over r minus a square, then plus a. So pi r square h minus away 1000 pi. And I think this is a good time for us to re-look at the expression that we are showing. We know that we have already gotten rid of h, but for the expression that we are showing, okay, let's see the similarity between this and that, because no matter what, we need to get this to look like the one that is given to us. So if I were to expand this, we will be getting a pi r square a, and that is the second expression that we are supposed to be showing in the expression, the full expression for v. So let's expand this. We'll expand this, writing this behind, and for whatever that is not the pi r square a, let's try to group them together. So this will be my strategy. This times this will be 1000 pi r square over r minus a square, grouping together with this, minus 1000 pi. So this, I'm going to be putting them together. This times this plus pi r square a. Okay, so at least the second expression already synchronized to what we are supposed to be showing. As for this, we will factorize 1000 pi out from this bracket. So if I were to be doing that, then it will be 1000 pi. And for what we have left in the bracket, it is going to be an r square over r minus a square, minus away, since we have already factorized out 1000 pi, it will be 1, then plus pi r square a. Okay, we have already almost shown fully what the question wants us to show, except that they also want to quote the value of k. So for us, we can see that k is this. So k is equal to 1000. Okay, my showing process is now complete. Let's move on. Let's take a look at part B of this question. For part B of this question, we are supposed to determine the value of r in terms of a. We are supposed to determine the value of r that minimizes v. And the good news is, we don't need, for whatever that we are doing, we know what we are going to be doing. We're going to find dv dr and let dv dr be equal to 0. But we do not need to show that this value of r gives us the minimum. So I guess we can stop at letting dv dr be equal to 0 and find the value of r such that this happens. So the first thing that we are going to do is, we're going to differentiate this with respect to r. So let's find dv dr. dv dr, this is going to be equal to, differentiating this, 1000 pi, which is a constant. I will just let it be. As for what we have here, I'm going to apply the quotient rule. So writing the denominator as it is, r minus a squared. Differentiating the numerator, we have a 2r, minus away, writing the numerator as it is. Differentiating the denominator, which is going to be 2, then r minus a to the power of 1. Then divided by the denominator squared, which is going to be r minus a to the power of 4. Differentiating 1 is going to be equal to 0, so yep, I'm not going to be writing that. Differentiating this with respect to r, it is going to be 2 pi r a. We are going to expect ourselves to be equating this to 0. So to prepare ourselves so that it is easier for us to solve for r when we equate this to 0, let's do some simplifications to this. Let's see what we can do. This will be 1000 pi. Okay, looking at this, instead of expanding, I think we can actually factorize it a little bit more in order for us to simplify it, because we see a r minus a on both of these terms. We see 2, we see r. So let's try to factorize out the common term first. So if I were to be doing that, the common terms will be 2r, r minus a. And what I'm going to be left with here will be a r minus a, and for here it will be a minus r. So this divided by r minus a to the power of 4, then plus 2 pi r a. So r and r will be cancelled. Let me cancel that here so it's easier for us to trace through the working. So it's going to be minus a multiplied by this. So what we will have is going to be a 1000 pi, and here is going to be a minus 2 r a, then r minus a, then divided by r minus a to the power of 4. So it will be this plus 2 pi r a, which will be a minus. So r minus a here and this can be cancelled, so giving me a power 3. So this will be minus away, 1000 times 2 is going to be 2000 pi. So this will be r a divided by r minus a cancelled, leaving me with r minus a to the power 3 in the denominator. This plus 2 pi r a. And I think this is a simple and good enough expression for me to maybe let it be equal to 0, and I'm going to try to make r the subject. Okay, so I'm going to now let dv dr be equal to 0 because this feels good enough. So it will be minus 2000 pi r a divided by r minus a to the power of 3 plus 2 pi r a. This is equal to 0. I'm going to shift this over to the right hand side. So we have a 2 pi r a is equal to 2000 pi r a divided by r minus a to the power of 3. So pi r a definitely will be cancelled on both the left and right hand side. 2, if I were to cancel, it is going to become a 1000. So it will be 1, which is going to be equal to 1000 over r minus a to the power of 3. So r minus a to the power of 3 is equal to 1000. So r minus a is going to be equal to, the cube root of 1000 is going to be equal to 10. So my final answer is r is equal to 10 plus a.